that was so cute. Oh my god.
Oh god.
I feel like I just got like a butterfly just kissed me directly on my heart. Fluttered its little wings on me. That was so cute. Is there a Mousey sneezing compilation? Has anyone made that yet?
I don't think so, but I'm sure after the subathon there will be. I think this is the most I've ever sneezed on stream ever.
Yeah, cause you're on stream all the time. Insomnia! You know what to do!
Chop chop! No, I'm just kidding. Insomnia, yes, you're allowed to do. Oh god, I might sneeze again. Fuck. Oh god.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, no, it's stuck. It's stuck.
No.
It's stuck.
Just tickle your nose.
I looked at a light.
Oh, did the light make it go back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kinda didn't have anything because I didn't think.
Where have you been though?
I've been. Sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you didn't hear that.
It's badass and super unique.
God bless thee.
Oh god,
Bless
sorry.
God bless thee, child. That was adorable as fuck.
Sorry. Sorry.
Don't apologize. Chat's been blessed, literally. They're blessing
think-
you.
She's a battle maiden.
you.
Officially.
Oh yeah. She is a
Officially
battle
mouse
maiden.
battle maiden. Yep.
Cotton candy I'd ever seen, I was still really happy with it. I also really wanted to know how it tasted.
Bless your little heart.
Bless you.
They're the greatest. The greatest group. Oh god. Oh my god, I sneezed like 7 times in a row. Fuck. I remember now. Nine.
How do you talk to the hunters?